In this video, I bring you 15 machines to help you create your own profitable business from home or anywhere. These machines are fully automatic and can be easily imported from China at very affordable prices. They deliver ready-to-sell products and are designed to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Stay tuned until the end, because these machines will give you a solid foundation to start and grow your business in the coming years. Let's get started. Machine number 1, Nut Butter Maker Machine. The Nut Butter Maker Machine is an ideal tool for entrepreneurs looking to stand out in the healthy food market. It processes peanuts, almonds, and nuts, transforming them into smooth, ready-to-package creams perfect for selling. Additionally, it offers the opportunity to innovate with unique flavors such as chocolate, coconut, or combinations with superfoods, making it perfect for attracting athletes, vegans, and families. You can market your products in local markets, health food stores, and online platforms, creating a brand that connects with consumers, mindful of their well-being. Moreover, this machine is easy to operate and maintain, making it a perfect choice for entrepreneurs who want to start a manageable business with significant growth potential. With the right promotional strategies, you can quickly establish yourself in a constantly expanding market. Estimated initial investment, $700 to $900. Before we continue, I've included a link in the video description to a training program on imports, where you can learn how to negotiate with suppliers. Importing will be the ideal business in the coming years. Machine number 2, Plastic Bottle Blowing Machine. The plastic bottle blowing machine is an ideal solution for entrepreneurs looking to enter the packaging market for food, beverages, and cleaning products. This equipment enables the production of bottles in various sizes and designs, tailored to the needs of businesses such as water, oil, juice, or detergent manufacturers. Additionally, it supports biodegradable materials, opening doors to eco-friendly and sustainable market niches. The personalized packaging market is constantly growing, especially with the trend toward differentiated and eco-friendly products. With this machine, you can provide solutions for small local businesses or establish yourself as a supplier for large distributors. Its ability to produce in large volumes and customize designs according to customer needs makes it a key tool to stand out in a competitive market. It is easy to operate and highly efficient, allowing you to optimize costs and ensure the quality of the final product. Estimated initial investment, $3,000 to $3,900. Machine number 3, Aromatic Candle Making Machine. The Aromatic Candle Making Machine is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to enter the decoration and wellness market. This equipment automates the production of candles in various sizes, shapes, and scents, allowing you to create personalized and attractive products for a wide range of customers. With the growing interest in home and relaxation products, aromatic candles are in high demand in decoration stores, gift shops, and online platforms. This machine enables you to offer candles with natural essences, unique designs, or specific themes for special occasions such as weddings, holidays, and corporate events. It is easy to operate and compact, making it an ideal choice for entrepreneurs starting from home or with limited space. Additionally, the low initial investment and high profit margins make this business highly profitable and scalable. Estimated initial investment, $900 to $1,500. Machine number 4, Corn Grinder Machine. The corn grinder machine is an essential tool for entrepreneurs looking to enter the food sector with fresh and locally produced goods. This equipment processes corn and other grains, transforming them into flour or dough, ready for preparing tortillas, tamales, arepas, and other traditional foods. Its versatility allows you to cater to clients such as bakeries, restaurants, fast food businesses, and local markets. The growing interest in fresh, handcrafted foods makes this machine a strategic investment to capture the attention of consumers who value quality and traditional flavors. Additionally, its compact design and easy operation make it an ideal choice for both new entrepreneurs and established businesses looking to optimize their processes. With this machine, you can offer customized products tailored to your customers' needs, setting yourself apart in a highly competitive market. It is a powerful tool with great potential to expand your business and establish yourself in a high-demand sector. Estimated initial investment, $700 to $850. Machine number 5, Animal Feed Pellet Machine. The animal feed pellet machine is an ideal tool for entrepreneurs looking to enter the balanced food market. This equipment processes ingredients such as corn, soybeans, alfalfa, and other nutrients, transforming them into compact and uniform pellets, perfect for feeding fish, poultry, livestock, and pets. With the growing demand for high-quality animal feed, this machine allows you to offer customized products tailored to the nutritional needs of each type of animal. You can cater to small-scale farmers, local farms, and specialty animal feed stores. Easy to operate and highly efficient, this machine ensures consistent production with low operating costs, enabling you to maintain competitive pricing. Additionally, its ability to customize the size and composition of pellets gives you a significant edge in a high-demand market. Estimated initial investment, $300 to $650. Machine number 6. Block making machine. The block making machine is a key tool for entrepreneurs interested in the construction sector. This equipment automates the production of concrete blocks or eco-friendly bricks, offering uniform, durable products tailored to market needs. With this machine, you can produce essential materials for residential, commercial, and industrial projects, meeting a constant demand in a growing sector. Additionally, you have the opportunity to differentiate yourself by creating customized blocks, such as environmentally friendly options or specific designs for architectural projects. Easy to operate and highly efficient, this equipment reduces production costs and increases productivity, enabling you to compete with large suppliers. It is a strategic investment to start or expand a business in a high-turnover industry with long-term growth opportunities. Estimated initial investment, $2,500 to $5,000. Machine number 7. Barbed wire machine. The barbed wire machine is an essential tool for entrepreneurs looking to enter a market with constant high demand. This equipment automates the production of barbed wire, an indispensable product for fencing, agricultural, livestock, industrial, and even residential properties. With the growing need for security and space delimitation solutions, barbed wire remains an economical and efficient option for a wide variety of clients. This machine allows you to produce wires of different lengths and gauges, offering customized products to meet the needs of contractors, farmers, and security companies. Estimated initial investment, $1,000 to $2,000. Machine number 8. Sausage making machine. The sausage making machine is an excellent investment for entrepreneurs looking to stand out in the food industry. This equipment automates the production of sausages, hot dogs, and longanizas, allowing you to offer fresh, high-quality products ready for sale. It is ideal for serving local markets, restaurants, butcher shops, and supermarkets. Additionally, it lets you innovate with unique recipes, such as low-fat sausages, gourmet options, or regional flavors that attract different consumer niches. Thanks to its ease of operation and high efficiency, this machine reduces labor costs and speeds up production, ensuring a consistent supply to meet demand. It is a key tool for building a solid business with high growth potential in a competitive market. Estimated initial investment, $300 to $400. Machine number 9. Burger patty maker. The burger patty maker is a must-have tool for entrepreneurs interested in the food industry and the fast food market. This equipment automates the production of burger patties, delivering uniform, high-quality portions in record time, ideal for restaurants, butcher shops, supermarkets, and food trucks. With this machine, you can innovate your offerings, creating gourmet burgers, vegan options, or customized products to suit customer preferences. It is perfect for businesses looking to increase productivity and meet a growing demand for fresh, ready-to-cook products. This machine is a strategic investment for entering a high-turnover, highly profitable market. Its production capacity allows you to compete with major suppliers by standing out for the freshness and quality of your products. Estimated initial investment, $2,000 to $3,000. Machine number 10. Wall plastering machine. The wall plastering machine is a revolutionary solution for the construction sector, automating the process of applying mortar to vertical surfaces. This equipment significantly improves speed and efficiency in residential, commercial, and industrial projects, delivering uniform and professional finishes in less time. It is a key tool for construction companies and entrepreneurs looking to offer specialized and competitive services. With this machine, you can reduce labor costs, optimize resources, and increase productivity, taking on larger projects in shorter time frames. Easy to operate and low maintenance, this equipment positions you in a high-demand market, especially in growing urban areas. It is a strategic investment to stand out in a competitive industry and ensure client satisfaction. Estimated initial investment: $700 to $1,500. Machine number 11. Vegetable cutter. The vegetable cutter is an essential tool for businesses in the food industry, such as restaurants, catering services, and fast food. This equipment automates vegetable cutting, allowing for different sizes and shapes, ideal for salads, side dishes, soups, and more. With this machine, you can significantly increase productivity, reducing preparation times and labor costs. Additionally, its precision ensures consistent products that meet quality standards, improving the customer experience. This tool positions you as a reliable supplier in a competitive market. Estimated initial investment: $697 to $1,000. Machine number 12. Soft Serve Ice Cream Machine. The Soft Serve Ice Cream Machine is an excellent alternative for entrepreneurs interested in the food industry. This equipment automates the production of creamy, high-quality ice cream, ready to serve in restaurants, food trucks, cafes, and ice cream parlors. With this machine, you can offer a wide variety of flavors and customized combinations, attracting customers of all ages. Additionally, the dessert and sweet snack market has constant demand, especially during warm seasons and special events. Easy to operate and compact, it allows you to set up in small spaces and start your business quickly. The ability to work with multiple flavors and toppings gives you a competitive edge in a growing market. Estimated initial investment: $500 to $1,500. Machine number 13. Pillow Filling Machine. The pillow filling machine is an automated solution for entrepreneurs interested in the home and decoration sector. This equipment efficiently fills and seals pillows, allowing you to produce a wide variety of products such as ergonomic, decorative, or standard pillows, tailored to market needs. With the increased demand for personalized and comfort-oriented products, this machine positions you to serve both individual customers and large distributors. You can sell your pillows in physical stores, online platforms, or even offer customized products for hotels and clinics. It allows for high-volume production, optimizing costs, and ensuring consistency in product quality. This investment is ideal for creating a solid brand in a high-turnover, steadily growing market. Estimated initial investment: $750 to $3,000. Machine number 14. Bag Making Machine. The bag making machine is a versatile and automated tool that allows you to manufacture paper, plastic, or biodegradable bags, perfect for meeting the needs of a market seeking functional and sustainable packaging. With this equipment, you can produce customized bags for retail stores, supermarkets, eco-friendly businesses, and events. The transition to biodegradable and environmentally friendly alternatives has increased the demand for paper bags and compostable materials. This machine gives you the opportunity to position yourself as a key supplier in this growing market, offering products in various sizes, styles, and designs to meet client needs. Estimated initial investment: $5,000 to $7,000. Machine number 15. Biodegradable Straw Machine. The biodegradable straw machine is a strategic investment for entrepreneurs looking to position themselves in the eco-friendly market. This equipment produces paper or compostable straws, a sustainable solution to the growing ban on single-use plastics worldwide. With this machine, you can serve restaurants, cafes, bars, and large chains seeking eco-friendly options for their customers. Additionally, you can offer customized products in various colors, sizes, and designs tailored to specific buyer needs. The demand for sustainable products continues to grow, and this machine allows you to stand out in a market strongly focused on environmental responsibility. It is easy to operate, efficient, and capable of high-volume production, ensuring quality and consistency in the final product. Estimated initial investment: $4,000 to $8,000. We've reached the end. These 15 machines are the key to starting your business and becoming the entrepreneur you've always dreamed of being. From eco-friendly solutions to tools for the food and construction industries, each of these ideas is designed to help you stand out in high-demand markets. If you want to learn more about how to import these machines or start your project, click the link in the description to take action today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to never miss content that can transform your ideas into income. Share this video with other entrepreneurs and let's build successful businesses together. See you in the next video.